Greetings, this is the part 1 of Primavera P6 Professional R8.3. In this part 1 video, you will learn about the basic intro of Primavera, and also we will perform the first important step in this software. So let me show you the definition of Primavera. What is Primavera? It's a database software which is used by many organizations to plan their any project, program or any event. So this is the basic introduction of Primavera, and for further details you can Google it. So for which purpose we use this database software? We use this for project scheduling, means project start date and project finish date, and also activities which will be involved in our project. So each activity, how much time will be required or how many days will be required for our activities to complete during this project. So first we will do scheduling of our project. After scheduling, then we do project resource planning. It means that how many employees will be required to complete the certain task, then how much material will be required and how many machinery will be required. It all depends on the nature of the project. Then third step is how to find the total budget of our project and the cost of each activity which will be involved in our project. And then at the end we will do project management. It means that during the running project, project manager may face different kind of problems, genuine problems, due to which project may be delayed for few days or for few weeks. So then project manager implement different kind of techniques to overcome these problems and complete the project on the given timeline. So this was the basic intro about Primavera. Now let me show you the interface of this software. So this is the interface of Primavera P6 Professional R8.3. So there are three important sections. The first section, where you can see my mouse cursor, it's enterprise section, and there your company name, your project name, and each activity which will be involved in your project will be displayed here with other important details which you will see in my upcoming videos. And this is the second section, which is called schedule section or schedule area, where you will see each activity's detail in graphical form. And this is the third area, detailed tab section or a detailed tab area, where you will see other important details like budget summary, resources, etc., which you will learn in my upcoming videos. So I think you got it what is Primavera, and you also know the interface of this software. Now it's time for the important work, how to add organization breakdown structure or how to add OBS. This is the essential part of this software before planning any project. So first let me show you what is OBS. OBS simply means that a person who will do project management or a responsible person who will operate Primavera to plan any project on the direction of project manager. So this is the simple definition of OBS. Now let me show you how to add OBS. First click on Enterprise. Second click on OBS. Select Enterprise, which is already selected. Then click on Add. Then here type the OBS name or the responsible person name, for example Kennedy. Then click on Modify. There you will write the detail of the responsible person, like his address, his phone number, his email ID, his passport number, and company name, for which company he is working, project, on which project he is working, and other details, important details. And then at the end you will add his picture by clicking on this picture icon. Select the decent picture and insert it. After inserting the picture, click on OK and click on close. So your first step has been done, how to add OBS. So I think this is enough for part 1, and more videos will be coming soon in which you will learn more about this software. Thank you.